So now we're taking the dishwasher apart because Uncle Jay is here. We are taking the side molding off because this part at the bottom is bent. That's how we got it, so we're going to bend that back. Oh yeah, and now you can slide this out.
Oh yeah.
Is it? Yeah, and it's white on the other side, so
is
you
it?
can change the color, yeah.
That's cool. It doesn't really want to move, so
well, yeah, I mean, we'll do a little more surgery
Yeah.
here. Let's see here.
I don't know if that happened when they took the dishwasher out or if...
Ooh, that's too much. I'll put a little kink in it. We'll get a pair of pliers.
Oh, you ruined it, hon. You ruined the dishwasher.
Yeah, I need a pair of pliers to
I got some pliers for you.
do that, but otherwise we can get it just straightened out. And there we are. That's a lot straighter than it was, and I'll get the kink out of it.
Yeah, looks better.
Yeah, so that'll work. And we're also trying to remove the controls panel.
Yeah, we're trying to see how the door comes
We
apart
popped
here.
all the screws out already, but we're getting caught up on
On the door latch,
the
yeah.
door latch, the knob.
I don't think the timer's having any... No, the timer's not getting in the way at all.
Yeah.
That's probably only if you wanted to take this thing off, but we're not trying to do that.
Right. Yeah, we're just trying to figure that out. So we're going to look at a repair manual quick and figure that out. And once we get the latch off, then we'll come back and see the inside of the door, see if the vent can be held open, and see why the swishes are sideways. I'm not the greatest metallurgist, is the word, I believe. But definitely got most of that kink out. It's looking a lot better, and I'll work it a little bit more just to see if I could just get that little wrinkle out, but it'll look almost brand new by the time I'm done. So we'll get that little detail worked out. Derp! It was right there.
Yep.
Take that out.
There we go.
Gee, that was difficult.
Yeah, I know. We'll just keep that screw in there so we don't lose it.
Okay.
We'll keep it right here, I guess, with everything
Yeah, with
else.
the pile is...
I wonder if this is a replacement. You know, like, I mean, because they had the other designed latch for a long time.
I don't know.
I
don't know.
You know, curiosity never killed the shark, so... Okay, so now let's see. Is it hinged, or does it... It is hinged.
With the springs, yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, look, should we take off one of the springs? Because I think this is too light. I think it's going to, like, snap right
It probably
back up.
would, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's how the detergent dispenser... Oh, so this is the timer box. Oh, it's dusty in here. Unlatch the service switch. Okay. So...
Oh, yeah, look at this. The whole fucking thing.
Oh, God, that's not even on correctly.
Nope.
All right,
All right,
so-
we'll look into that.
Yep.
So, yeah, maybe we'll take the spring off. It'll just make it easier to work on this.
What's this? Is this like a vent? It must be or something. Kind of cool in here.
And here's the vent.
I don't see any parts here, so it must be in there or something. Oh, we'll figure it
Yeah,
out.
we'll see. We'll get a spring or two off. There's the arm
Oh,
that opens the detergent dispenser.
This is the interlock switch, probably what turns it off when you unlatch the door.
Yep. All right, cool. See, this was hard.
Looking at the manual, trying to think about the push button switches. It had a thing on it.
Sharky is looking at the manual. I already have everything open.
I know. Oh, here we go. So we just got to make sure that we take it out, you know, properly.
Yeah, so this is hinged as such.
Oh, that made in USA.
That's good.
Yep.
And now I have to take a closer look to see what's going on, but now you can see the timer and all that over here. So pretty easy to service. These covers just sort of snap on and that.
Yeah.
That wasn't bad at all. I got the switch assembly out, and there you go. They're all bent. How somebody did that, I have no idea.
I wonder if this was replaced at some point.
Maybe, but
Yeah.
I'm going to finish taking the switches off. They just pull off, and then they'll either get bent back or perhaps the whole thing comes out of the plastic, and that way I could really see what the hell I'm doing instead of just going blind. I don't remember if I showed it, but all the metal tangs sticking out were just bent.
Yeah.
So I just bent them back. We put the buttons back on that you push. snap the assembly back in. That's how it sits. It's just wonky. That's how it's made.
It's probably more secure when the doors is put
Yeah, when it's all pushed together.
Yeah.
And this is just a latch that opens that. Like that. And then there's like clips or something that we got. And it comes out. And that comes back down and snaps in place. We're just cleaning up the other cover. We'll put that back on. And then we're going to look at the vent and see how that works. So here's the panel off.
I went too far, I think. That's where it goes.
Yeah, it's just a mechanical linkage, which also hits that
the rinse
little
aid.
arm for the rinse aid.
Yeah, so the way it worked is, if you guys want to know, is when the detergent dispenser opens, it goes about halfway like that, okay? And then, if you may remember in my cycle video, I heard another sound during the rinse cycle. It was this. And as you saw, that hit the arm for the rinse aid dispenser. So that sound you heard was indeed it dispensing the rinse aid. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So now for the vent, I think we'll take those screws out, and that might release the panel on the inside, and then we can see how that all goes. There are absolutely no moving parts for this. Screws here to mount up the vent. This ridged piece is just a ridged piece. This is all part of the plastic. There's no gap or anything here that moves. You can see up in here, that goes outside like that. There's nothing here that moves.
Yeah, so odd.
And as far as the vent itself goes, these are louvers. You can bend and press on them. I tried looking through it at the light, and nothing changed if I like pressed on them or pressed from the back through. Curiously, you know, it looks like these are separate pieces, certainly, like that. And I looked at every little plastic joint, every little plastic everything, and I can't tell what possibly moves, opens, closes, anything. I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. So the only thing left to do is to just slam it back together. I honestly don't know. That is really, really odd. Very, very weird. Oh, we made it white now. Oh, that's racist. I forgot. Turn it back around. Make it black. I mean, African American.
Right.
I mean, whatever they want to be called today. Oh, there we go. Okay, put the afro back.
Kind of cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Nice.
Just had to see that while we're here.
Yeah, well, actually, yeah, because the white is how it was for our house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at my swishes.
Our switches look beautiful now.
Look at my swishes. I tell you, Holmes, look at my swishes. Nice, that worked out very well.
It did.
It's 4 colors.
Yeah, look at this.
It's 2 sheets. Take a look. Pure white, off-white,
kind of
beige or yellowish, and black.
Check that out.
Is that awesome?
We learn something new every day.
Good thing we took this off just to take a look. That's pretty cool. I never expected 4 colors.
No, me neither.
That's awesome.
So if I can ever find a kick plate for this, hopefully it has something similar.
Wait. Put
Yeah,
it
just
up.
see how that looks.
Put it up. Oh, man, that is vintage, man.
Vintage.
That's vintage. You should do that. That is fucking vintage right there.
Nice.
That's beautiful.
That is vintage. Oh, I don't know if it goes with the black control panel that much.
Yes, it does.
It does? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is vintage. Oh, that's something else.
That looks good. Here, let's try the off-white.
That's the off-white.
It's just kind of blah.
Yeah, I go for either the pure white, I know I'm calling this beige. Sorry if it's a color I don't know the name of.
Outlook on life. It's almost a harvest gold.
Yeah, maybe that's what it's supposed to be. Check that out. Nice.
That's pretty cool. And what year was this dishwasher again?
1991.
91 and
Yeah.
still harvest gold. Yeah, I mean, because there were 70s kitchens still around.
Yeah.
You know, and people's dishwashers crapped out or something, you know. Grandma left a candle burning in it or something. You never know. You never know.
Oh wow.
Oh, that was definitely
Yeah.
cool.
So if I can hopefully find a kick plate for this sometimes, I'll have
it
something
should
like
have
this.
all of that. Yeah, that's cool. Now I wonder if my Whirlpool dishwasher. I seem to remember it had 4
Did it have or like 2 panels?
or two panels. Yeah, 4. I wonder if it does.
Look at
I might
this,
have
though.
to
My
take a look at
goodness.
that. Yeah, I guess we can clean that off while it's open.
Yeah.
So we'll do that, and then we'll finish buttoning this up. 16 days later, we're all back together. I showed you my swishes. No touching my swishes. No touching my swishes. I don't know what movie that's from. If anybody knows, tell me. The metallurgy barely can even notice the tiniest ripple there. That worked out really well. All back together, 4 colors. Take your pick. Washes your dishes. Have a nice day. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.